zeci de mii de lire.
What kind of bike is this? Don't feel like a gram though. That's just fake, isn't it? Erotic £50. Yeah.
£40.
How much are these? How much one for those? Fiver? Don't break the bank then. Got a change for 20?
How much? No, love, you want 40 for it. Yeah, that's alright, it's cheap there for 25, isn't it? No, it just doesn't come to me.
No. Thank you.
This is good.
How much are these, mate?
30, but I'll be honest, are you looking to resell? They're not mine, but I don't think they're real.
No, I was just gonna say.
Yeah, I don't think they're real.
No, they're big as well, isn't it? That's the thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
No worries. Thanks for being honest anyway. How much your stuff in here? This one. 20. You know, in Japan, these brand new in the shops are like 40 quid. Yeah, I always thought they're like really expensive, but they're not.
Japan?
Yeah. Mad, isn't it? Huh? The jumpers with the hooded, like the hoodie jumpers, they're about 150, but the rest are quite cheap. What's that? It's an unusual one, isn't it? Huh? You don't speak English, no? How much? Give you 150 as well?
There's a lot of people come to check this.
What's that? The
Yeah.
150. 150? Good, thank you. I don't know, it's just unusual. Thank you.
How much is it? Tenner.
I'll have a little think about it. Okay.
It won't be here when you get back.
Oh, no.
I know it won't.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah, have a good day. They're like, I'll open it for you, they're display.
Tray for the cutlery or what?
Yeah. It's a funny colour though.
Alright, oh, that's cool, isn't it? It's still a little bit deeper. You could actually put something in it. Oh, game gear, wow. How much it is?
There's a bunch of game gear stuff.
Alright, how much is it? How much is that Mega Drive there? Does it work?
The Mega Drive,
Yeah.
that works, yeah, but it doesn't have the AV cable on that. I had to test it with the cables from that one.
And how much is it?
20 quid as it stands. It's an early one.
What
It's
games you
stereo,
got
so-
there?
What's that?
Can I see the
Yeah, you can
games?
come around and have a look. Yeah. You can come round, yeah. No, like, you see the
Wow. Basic games. Yeah.
I think you're around a little bit late, all the good stuff.
Yeah, no, I'm just random. Thank you. Morning. much are these?
She wants 20 for them.
20, yeah.
What's that? Yeah.
6.5, so it would be... They come out very small, they come a size small. They
Oh, do they?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That's old, isn't it? How old is that? That sewing machine? Yeah. How old is it?
Me, I think.
That's mad. It's like a hand one, isn't it?
Yeah, that's right.
Crazy.
So you found anything?
Yeah, the box full of nothing. White 360 and some games. He bought nothing, so
So there was a lot of. You come last week?
no, I didn't see you last week.
A lot more cars. There's nothing here.
Yeah, unfortunately, this time of year.
More gloves.
Lòi anh ăn lòi có à nè.แต่มันว่าเห็นไงเด็กมันเล่นเคยไปนั่งขัดโอ้ยมันไล่รองเท้าจะตายมันมี
Yeah, I know where it is. I couldn't see where it was. £50, did you
Yeah,
say?
£50. It's got a 3D printed battery cover.
Okay, so no, I'm YouTubing. How much are the earrings?
I'd like £40 for the
And
earrings.
what's the grammage on them?
They're a gram each, and they're 20.
Gram each.
And I'll show you.
9 carat, gram each, 18, 36, about 40. Yeah, that's about right. Yeah.
London Centre, 23.
Yeah, no, it's about right. Yeah, it's about right. It's alright.
But they were my mum's, and people are like trying to.
Yeah.
One bloke, he said, I've got loads of them for
Can I
25
see
quid."
one?
Yeah, of course you can.
And what's that there?
These are Lord of the Rings.
Yeah, no.
And they're stainless steel, and there's a couple of new ones, but yeah, they're all marked on. And they're because they're not heavy. They don't want to pull your loved one's ears.
Don't feel like a gram though.
They are a gram. I can definitely guarantee that because I put them on scale.
Hollow inside, aren't they?
That's right. Yes.
Mhm.
They are definitely a gram.
Thank you.
One is 1.01 and the other one's like 9.98, but they both bar the shell. But it's nice.
What kind of bike is this?
Aluminum foldable.
Yeah, look at that.
One,
Nice.
500.
And how much is that?
40.
40?
I'm asking 40.
Yeah, that's nice. So it's been modified, hasn't it?
I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm just a seller.
Yeah, this is not the original thing, you know, but it's nicer. No. No, it wouldn't come like that. These tires wouldn't be on it. It used to have gears, this bike. See, that's a tensioner, so it keeps the one single gear. Otherwise, it's pretty nice, isn't it? Someone's used it for stunts.
What does that mean?
Just to make like BMX kind of thing.
Like this jumping stuff?
No, just sort of doing stuff around.
Okay.
But I should assume this is pretty hard to get hold of. One of those.
Nice.
Yeah.
No,
40 quid is good. Yeah, no, it's nice. Thank you. How much are these?
The one that's broken is £1.
Yeah.
I'll do the other one for £2. Pound each. Go on, that's fine.
Yeah, they're in pretty bad nick. Thank you. That's just fake, isn't it? That doesn't open, does it? Does it? Oh, right, okay, right. I didn't want to force or anything. Alright, gotcha. How much are these?
These will go for 20.
20, yeah. Unusual colour, isn't it? Nah, they aren't like the other ones.
They're
so.
special edition. Yeah, but you can, if you want it for 15, they're for 15.
The colour, innit? I'm just a little bit.
No.
They're nice though. They're nice off the foot. Do you know what I mean?
I'm a bit weird about it because I'm scared they might be worth something one day, but I don't see.
Well, these now. It's really strange though. Roaches are not really worth a lot of money for some reason.
Not Jordans, man.
Yeah.
Don't worry, he's anyone.
They've got the same colour coat on, haven't we?
Instead of the tenner, do you want him? You've got George one.
How much your PS4?
PS4?
Yeah. 40. Oh, these are fakes.
How many you got there?
12.
Go on then. They get 11, yeah?
8, 12. Yeah, I've got to change.
The better ones in.
Oh, I've got no clue about Pokemon. I'm just looking. They're probably all worth about £1 or something, you know. So.
Well, that tin's a pound with cards in all together, yeah. So these ones on eBay, like that one would probably go for about £5 on eBay and things like that. So these are the rare ones.
This one doesn't look real though. It's cut too high up, isn't it? That's mad.
Mate.
Yeah, I don't know.
No, I don't blame you.
Fishing around.
So, you have the laptop?
I bought it here. I bought it here from the what I do. I don't know who I bought it here.
You bought it and you're reselling. You know, I'll be back next week.
My dear, we buy, we sell.
I know you.
I bought it from.
You normally sell trainers.
Good. It's coming soon.
You're normally there.
Yeah, I bought
I'll
it
buy
here.
you.
No, not a big picture.
How much is that? How much is it? 25. 25. It's really nice, isn't it? It's nice. Ok, haide că am cumpărat și aceste căști de la Akai, modelul ASE20, foarte mișto sunt în condiție pristină, albul este alb, n-au nicio ruptură, au controale pe fiecare parte și, sincer să spun, nu era să le cumpăr, dar le-am văzut și după aia zic, haide să caut pe eBay și am văzut că sunt 100 de lire și le-am cumpărat cu 4 lire și le-am listat și eu pe eBay. Acum să vedem dacă le voi vinde până plec. Dacă nu, aș vrea să le țin ca o piesă de display, cum ar fi. Cred că se aude și bine prin ele, să spun sincer. Și atât era. Doar asta, sper că păcat că n-avea cutia. Hai să vedem această cutiuță din Fildeș, care am cumpărat-o de la cineva cu 1,50 liră, cum ați văzut, și înăuntru are o sculptură erotică. Este japoneză, făcută din Fildeș și se numește Netsuke Box. Sunt chiar valoroase și foarte rare. Am văzut una că s-a vândut acum ceva timp la licitație cu 160 de lire, dar unele semnate ar putea să fie în zeci de mii de euro, de lire. Sperăm. Foarte mișto. Genială.